Hello guys, today we'll be doing some bad crashes on here. We'll get big land stuck out of here. What's going on? Yeah, so Alright guys, so now so to get out of our circle, we'll get out of our circle. I'm being out of our circle. We're just going to send Hawaiians in out of this circle. Because I do not know why, but we'll just send it out here. Anyways, we had white engine, so we're at then we'll get add Bowdington Northern, who's going to be here. Which is going to go over here. Which is going to go in there. Then we'll get some shuntles after we get some bombardment do classes. Guys, I hear something being destroyed. Guys. Oh wait, no, that was just some chopping. Oh, come on. Alright. So I'm hurrying to try to hurry up, but not very much is going to be doing this. Alright, so we got her. Alright, so things are going. And we'll get Bowdington Northern over here. Hang on. Alright, so this is the end. This is not the class competition. Well, this is part 1. So